So this is my Delta Rockwell floor standing drill press that I got a few months back. Now it has a 3-phase motor, and everything looked like it was going to work. And so the problem is I don't have 3-phase at my house. So it took me a little while to get everything freed up and moving now, but it all seems to be pretty good. Just need a little lubrication. So what I did, now this wiring is temporary, it's just for testing, is I have 220 single phase, and hooked up a variable frequency drive right here to the 3-phase motor, and this will take single phase 220 and turn it into 208 3-phase. So the nice thing about this is it'll allow me to slow down and speed up the drill without having to change the belts on the pulley. I can still change the belts and pulley if I want to go a lot faster or I want to go a lot slower. So currently I have this thing disabled. So if I press the start button, okay, so right now I've got it set for a minimum of 30 hertz for the speed. Now I can increase this up to 60 with pushing this button. And I plan to see if I can do it with a potentiometer at the drill press via a remote wire. I think it can be done. And start and stop it from the drill press. So I've got some additional wiring to do as well. But I can speed this up. I'll speed it up to 60. Now I'm at 60 hertz. So here's the cool thing. I can actually reverse direction if I want. So I'm going to press this, it's going to slow it down and then spin it back the other direction. Alright, I'm pressing the button. So now I'm going to stop it. I'm going to go into the menu here and change the low frequency. And I'm going to change it down to 0, I think. Or maybe 10 hertz. See what happens. Let's do 11. That's fine. Let's see what it does if I try to start it. There it goes, back up to there. Spin it down. Now we're at 11 hertz, turning super slow. Anyway, I'll post some updates when I get to a little bit further.